Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix black screen when streaming HBO Max, Netflix, Hulu or Disney on Discord. So, in order to fix this problem, make sure you're on a Chromium based browser like Google, Edge, Brave, and you'll have to basically click on the three-dotted icon at the top of your Chrome or your browser. Then go to settings, and in the settings, click on the search bar and search for acceleration. So type in acceleration and navigate to the setting that says use graphics acceleration when available. Simply turn this switch to off. Now relaunch your browser and this will instantly solve your problem. Now if this doesn't solve your problem, you can simply navigate to Discord. After opening the application, click on the settings icon that is user settings at the bottom left. You will see this page where you'll have to basically scroll down and in the app settings, navigate to voice and video. When you click on this, you will see this page will have to just scroll down and navigate to this section that says video codec. Now, this is the option that will have to toggle off that says open H264 video codec provided by Cisco system inc. Now simply turn this switch off and this will solve your problem. If this doesn't work, you'll have to basically scroll down again and navigate to this section that says screen share and toggle the switch off that says use our advanced technology to capture your screen. Simply toggle the switch off and see if that solves your problem or not. So these were the ways through which you can fix black screen when streaming HBO Max, Netflix, Hulu or Disney on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.